My name is Brad Hall. I just picked up the Adidas Alphaedge 4D. I have been dying to get my hands on a pair of these 4D shoes. I've wanted to see what this midsole is all about, and I finally get a chance to experience everything that it is. It's got this minty green color, almost like a pair of scrubs, and then there is just so much going on with this 3D printed lattice work. It feels interesting too. It's got a lot of squish to it, and it's got a lot of weight to it. Very curious about trying these out. The upper is no slouch on this shoe either. It's a nice knit. It's got this stitching going vertically. I like that detail, and it looks like it's gonna give it maybe some support too. Got a pull tab on the back, and then on that bottom, you've got Continental rubber, tried and true, old and reliable, good rubber, and that's nice on there. Overall, just a really interesting looking shoe. It looks like the future, and I am excited to try this out. I'm curious about the comfort of 4D, but I'm even more curious right now how this is gonna hold up. It seems so delicate. Very curious, so I'm gonna put it through a stress test right now. I'm gonna head out, really do something with it, and we're gonna find out how that 4D midsole holds up under one heck of a test. Ideally for this stress test, it would be done over many days, maybe even months. That would give the best idea on how durable that 4D midsole is, but I wanted to get you this right away, so I devised a way that I think it's gonna simulate a lot more usage. I'm really excited about it. It should be a fairly accurate stress test. It's gonna be good. So as you can see, I lifted so many things in there, so much more than my normal body weight, so truly a stress test. I put this 4D midsole through its paces, and look at how this held up. You can see that. It didn't break at all. Not one bit, and it felt great, so very encouraging sign. Very excited about this shoe. Held up well with the stress test.